90-day increments out. Talk about the vision overview. Take a look at some product comps. Product comps mean consumer-facing as well as merchandiser. Merchandisers are those that try to sell things to consumers. Those are the people that will pay us generally. And in terms of the product comps, there's really two products I want to explore and talk about. We call this my profile, and profile is kind of an abstraction of profile. It's not my profile, it's my profile. Another comp is my market. These are the products that we intended to build as extensions to the existing search, and hopefully leverage search throughout these product extensions. Okay? We're going to kind of take you through this little pipeline. Ian and I talked about some time ago, and I think, Shasha, you've been exposed to this. It's essentially a near-term product roadmap. I don't want to belabor the details here because all this is probably already, for the most part.
Yeah, but there is formal news here, which is that we've determined that early September will be the GA, the formal product launch date for the current Focal search engine.
Right.
We may or may not add much to it more than is there now other than usability, although we're going to start 3 major threads, and that will be the topic for this week. User access, social network integration, and then profile building.
So pretty much everything up here is business as usual, outside of ontology, and we're exploring that. And then user access control, a user store for user profiles, if we can get to it by GA, we should shoot for it. But everything else is pretty much as usual. New third-party data is pretty important in social network integration.
So before we leave today, we will have an iteration plan and a release plan to take us through the GA date. That's kind of our main mission this week. We'll have laid out a set of iterations. We have the first rough set of stories. So if we can achieve these stories in this iteration, we're helping achieve the GA date. So we'll have far more roadmap than simply an iteration at a time as we've been working lately.
So in general, we're looking at GA early September, and hopefully we can move that forward. If we get crash schedules, do that great. If not, let's stick with this. Version 1 or version 9 and change of the profile, which is the user profile of his web presence, extracted from search results. Okay. And then there's publishing. Well, these are all the key use cases, practically, what we want to have. January is version 2.0, or extension of V1, which has a little bit more to be able to push your profile to outside parties, okay, and give other parties access to see that profile or profile. This is a big target, the orange away, which is this mind market concept. This is where advertisers